Did you know that some of the most popular natural cleaning mistakes people make every single day are causing irreversible damage to expensive surfaces, appliances, and materials throughout their homes? Damage that costs thousands to repair or replace, all while the people doing it believe they're cleaning safely and responsibly? What if switching to natural cleaning without understanding these critical mistakes is actually more destructive than using commercial products correctly? I learned several of these lessons through painful, expensive personal experience, and I need to share this before you make the same mistakes. Stay tuned, because this could save you from serious, costly damage. I've spoken to numerous people who've caused serious home damage following enthusiastically shared natural cleaning advice that omitted critical warnings. Mistake number 1: using vinegar on natural stone. This mistake has cost people I know significant amounts of money in countertop restoration or replacement. Natural stone surfaces including marble, granite, limestone, travertine, and slate contain calcium carbonate that reacts chemically with acetic acid in vinegar. This reaction is called etching, and it creates dull patches, surface roughness, and visible pitting that permanently damages the stone's polished surface. Mistake number 2: using undiluted essential oils. Natural cleaning recipes frequently incorporate essential oils for fragrance and their antimicrobial properties. What most recipes fail to emphasize is that undiluted or highly concentrated essential oils are chemically potent substances that damage certain plastics, dissolve rubber seals in appliances, strip finishes from wooden surfaces, and can be toxic to pets. Tea tree oil specifically is toxic to cats and dogs even in diluted cleaning solution residues left on surfaces they contact. Mistake number 3: mixing vinegar and hydrogen peroxide together. Both vinegar and hydrogen peroxide are genuinely effective natural cleaning ingredients individually. The internet has promoted combining them into one spray bottle as a super cleaner. This is dangerous and chemically counterproductive. When combined, acetic acid in vinegar and hydrogen peroxide react to form peracetic acid, a significantly more corrosive compound that irritates skin, eyes, and respiratory system more aggressively than either ingredient alone. The mixture also degrades rapidly, losing both ingredients' individual effectiveness quickly. Mistake number 4: using abrasive natural scrubs on delicate surfaces. Baking soda's mild abrasive quality is genuinely useful on appropriate surfaces. But natural and mild doesn't mean safe for every surface. Baking soda scratches glass surfaces, polished stainless steel, and certain enamel finishes with vigorous scrubbing. Salt used as an abrasive cleaner damages polished surfaces similarly. Coarse sea salt on wooden surfaces can cause scratches that compromise finish integrity. Always test abrasive natural cleaners on hidden surface areas before full application, and avoid them entirely on glass, polished metals, and delicate enamel. Mistake number 5: excessive moisture from natural mopping solutions. Natural floor cleaning often involves vinegar and water solutions applied generously. This creates a moisture problem that damages hardwood floors significantly. Hardwood floors require minimal moisture exposure, and repeated wet mopping with any solution, natural or commercial, causes wood swelling, warping, finish lifting, and eventual structural damage. The important mindset shift: natural cleaning done correctly is genuinely safe and effective. Natural cleaning done without understanding ingredient chemistry and surface compatibility creates real damage. We have now covered some natural cleaning mistakes that damage your home: vinegar on natural stone, undiluted essential oils near pets, combining vinegar and hydrogen peroxide, abrasives on delicate surfaces, and excessive moisture on hardwood. If this just saved you from expensive home damage, smash that like button, subscribe to The Big Sweep, and ring the notification bell for more honest natural cleaning safety information. Share with anyone who cleans naturally without knowing these risks. Comment which mistake you've been unknowingly making. Click the link in the description box below to join our free cleaning community. I'll see you next time. Until then, clean naturally with genuine understanding. Respect every ingredient's chemistry, and protect your home from well-intentioned but damaging mistakes.